How to create Google Forms and mobile. The first thing you want to do is to access your preferred browser from your device and then go to Google Forms. Now once you are here, you just have to scroll down and tap on Google Forms Online Form Creator and then tap Go to Forms. Now before you will be routed here, you need to log into your Google account first. And then once done, this is where you can create your Google form. So you can add title, you can add questionnaires, question one, you can add answers in it. You can also add media files, and then this is where your answer will be a short answer, a paragraph, multiple choice, a checkboxes, a drop down, a linear scale, multiple choice grid, a checkbox grid, or you can also try to upload a file. Now once everything is done, all you have to do is click this arrow right here, and you can add or enter recipient's email on where you will be sending these forms to. And you can also try to generate a URL out of this form, and you can try to shorten it. So that's basically how you create Google Forms using your mobile.